Imagine this. India spends thousands of crores building power plants, land, transmission lines, water systems, substations, switchyards, roads. Then after 30 years, we shut them down and demolish everything. But what if I told you that these so-called retired coal plants could become some of India's most valuable clean energy assets? And what if destroying them could cost us billions of dollars? Today I am going to show you a real case study backed by research, economics, and actual power sector numbers that completely change the way I think about India's energy transition. Let's dive in. India currently has over 220 gigawatt of coal-based generation capacity. A significant portion of this fleet will gradually reach retirement age over the next 15 to 20 years. Traditionally, retirement means demolition, scrap sale, site cleanup, asset write-offs. But here's the hidden problem. A thermal power plant is not just a boiler and turbine. It already has hundreds of acres of industrial land, high voltage grid connectivity, transmission infrastructure, water systems, roads, control rooms, skilled workforce. These assets took decades and billions of dollars to create. And in many new renewable projects, getting land and transmission approvals is often the biggest bottleneck. Not technology, not financing, infrastructure. A detailed India-focused study by researchers Abhinav Jindal and Girish Rimali explained whether retired coal plants should be demolished or repurposed. The results were eye-opening. For a representative 1000 megawatt of coal plant, decommissioning costs were approximately $104 million. But repurposing benefits reached nearly $591 million. That's almost 6 times higher. Think about that. Instead of becoming a stranded asset, the plant becomes an income-generating clean energy hub. Researchers found that repurposing benefits can cover 10% to 32% of the capital expenditure required for new clean energy projects. In simple words, the old coal plant helps pay for the future. Now here where it gets exciting. Retired coal plants can become a combination of 3 technologies. Technology 1, battery energy storage systems or BESS. Imagine a 1000 megawatt retired coal station. The switchyard is already there. The transmission lines are already there. The grid connection is already there. Instead of generating electricity from coal, the site stores renewable energy. Solar energy generated during the day, released during evening peak demand. This reduces transmission delays and accelerates deployment. The biggest advantage? Speed. You are reusing the existing infrastructure instead of building from the scratch. Technology 2. Green hydrogen production. Electrolyzers require land, power connection, water, Coincidentally, retired thermal stations already have all the three. Many coal stations possess extensive cooling water systems and industrial infrastructure that can be adapted for hydrogen projects. Instead of producing coal power, the same site could produce green hydrogen. A complete transformation. Technology 3. Synchronous Condensers. This is the hidden gem. Most people have never heard of it, but grid operators absolutely love it. As renewable penetration increases, grid stability becomes critical. Retired generators can be converted into synchronous condensers. Studies show conversion can cost 40% to 70% less than building equivalent new grid stability assets because existing generators, foundations, and electrical infrastructure are reused. In simple language, old turbines can continue serving the grid without burning a single kilogram of coal. Let's look at a real example. Researchers assessed 4020 megawatt of old coal capacity in Maharashtra. Plants at Nashik, Koradi, Khaparkheda, Chandrapur, Bhusawal. The findings? Repurposing these assets for solar, battery storage, and synchronous condenser applications could create benefits worth approximately 5,700 rupees crore. The benefits were estimated to be 2 to 4 times higher than the decommissioning costs. Think about that. Thousands of crores of value from infrastructure that many people consider obsolete. That's not an environmental story. That's a business story. Let's do some back of the envelope math. Suppose India retires tens of gigawatts of coal capacity over the next 2 decades. Every site already contains land, grid access, water, roads, skilled manpower, industrial permits. If even a fraction of these sites are repurposed successfully, the avoided infrastructure costs and accelerated deployment benefits could run into tens of billions of dollars. The real value isn't the scrap metal. The real value is the infrastructure ecosystem already built around these assets. And that is why I believe India should not simply ask, how do we retire coal plants? We should ask, how do we reinvent them? The future of energy may not be built only on new land. It may be built on old power plants. The next generation of clean energy hubs could emerge from the very facilities that powered India's growth for decades. The question is no longer coal or clean energy. The question is, can coal infrastructure become clean energy infrastructure? And if the answer is yes, India may be sitting on one of the biggest energy transition opportunities in the world. If you work in power, energy utilities, EVs, hydrogen, storage, or infrastructure, I want to hear your perspective. Should India demolish retired thermal power plants or reinvent them? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy data driven energy case studies like this one, subscribe to SustainX Global at the rate Green Future X. Because the future of energy is being built right now. Thank you.